Let me wipe this lens. Brake down, you brake up. So, I thought that was kind of cool. I don't really know why that's a thing, but it's still cool nonetheless. All right, guys, what's going on? John back here with another video. We're gonna hop right into this video and get to the top 5 hidden features you didn't know about the BRZ. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the BRZ. We have to move the 335D first. Can't romp this thing right now. I haven't been dailying it because the lug studs broke for like the 3rd time. So shout out to, I'm not gonna name the company, but the lug studs keep breaking on this thing. Totally eliminating the lug studs. We're going lug bolts. So those are coming in very soon this week. Shout out to Beamer World for those. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move this thing out. I don't even know. It's been like a week. So week cold start on this thing. Probably not a week, maybe like 5 days. I don't know. But diesel cold start, let's get it.
I got a new haircut.
She got a new haircut, guys. Tell her how beautiful she looks in the comment section.
Gauge is ready.
Glow plug, warm up. Woo! Yeah, that. He's sneezing. Oh, baby. Look at that, baby. Woo! Listen to that turbo spool. Tell me you don't love that. Come on. Listen to that. Boom! It smells so good. We're gonna go ahead and move this thing out. Pull the BRZ out. We're gonna get to talk.
Oh. No scrape. Wow.
But yeah, I'm gonna let this thing warm up a little bit because I haven't ran it in a little bit. I don't want to just start it and turn it off, but yeah, check this out, guys. This is what we're dealing with here in the winter in Pennsylvania / North Jersey area. It sucks up here. If you guys aren't aware, don't move to the north because this is what you have to deal with. Also, if you're an automotive content creator in the winter, it absolutely sucks. So I don't even know what to do. I'm trying to get a winter build of some sort so I can just go ahead and romp it in the snow, have fun like all the other WX boys out there. I don't know, maybe cop a 400, but nobody's letting me know in the comment section. Let me know down in the comment section what vehicle we're getting for the winter. Go ahead and have some fun with, because yeah, the 335D will be cool, but it's rear wheel drive and I probably won't be able to go many places, at least as long as the snow is deep. But I definitely want to get something cool for the channel. But yeah, let's get moving to the BRZ out. Cold start on the BRZ, 25-degree weather, let's get it. Woo! Oh! Cold start! Insane. Look at that. It's freezing out here. It's freezing. I'm trying to make this content for you guys though. Yo, tell me this isn't drippy. Cop this from the thrift store. This is a thrifted fit. Thrift store. Thrift store. Not the pants, but still, thrift store fit right here. Look at that. This is how cold it is here. Either it's freezing out here or I'm putting my head gasket. I don't know. You tell me. Blown head gasket or cold? Gage, what's going on over there, pal?
He's staring at the ground.
You good?
Hi.
My boy's disoriented. He needs to go get a coat on.
Okay.
We'll get a coat on there.
Come
on, ready? Gage with the coat. Man, nice jacket, buddy. That's pretty sick. All right, guys, so starting at number 1, for a hidden feature that you didn't know was on your Subaru BRZ, is right in the trunk actually. So if you take a look in the trunk here, there's a button right here that says trunk opener, okay? Basically, if you hit that button, what it'll do is it'll lock your trunk and you won't be able to unlock it from the outside. Your trunk will be essentially a safe. And the only way you can unlock it is with your key, with like manually unlocking it. So that is feature number 1. Also, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little, I don't know, hidden feature that maybe not a lot of people know about too, is one thing. This isn't gonna be number 2, but this is still cool. You come to the front of the car, right? And you see that the car has these lights here, these little DRL type things. Now, they only come on when you put the e-brake down. So if you go to the front, I'm gonna put the e-brake down, e-brake up. So I thought that was kind of cool. I don't really know why that's a thing, but still, we're gonna go ahead and move on to number 2. We're gonna head over to the passenger side and we're gonna check it out. Gage is following us. He wants to learn about the BRZ as well. Good learner. So we're gonna go ahead and head into the glove box. As you can see, my radar detector is hooked up here, and there's actually a cigarette lighter in the back of the BRZ glove box. I thought that was pretty cool too, right? Not a lot of people know about that one. Now, this only pertains to the BRZ, unfortunately, I believe. But anyways, so your headlights here, as you can see, there's this little knob here that not a lot of people know about or have. Basically, this knob allows you to adjust the headlights, you know, how low or tall they can go. So check this out. Look at this. They're raising up all by themselves, and then they raise all the way down by themselves when you push it down. So that's kind of cool. I'm not really sure if anybody knew about that, but if anybody was ever wondering what the heck that thing does, that's what it does. Next part we're going to show you is something kind of cool too. This could be helpful if you're first off, like starting to learn how to drive manual and you need to figure out what gear you're in. This would be super helpful for you guys. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. First things first is what you're going to want to do is put the car into accessory mode. All you have to do is hit the start stop button once, or if you have a key, just turn it one click. And basically what you're going to want to do is hit the ODO trip, and then you're going to see it says G off. So if you head in here, it says G off right here, and if you actually hold it, it turns it to G on. So then what the heck that does is it actually lets you see what gear you're in. So that's kind of cool if you're learning how to drive manual and you don't know what gear you're in. That'll help you, you know, figure out what gear you're in. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you guys this one from inside here. So a lot of you guys have this probably stock radio in your BRZ, and check this out. You ready? So you turn it on, and boom. So I have this startup screen on mine. You can put this exact startup screen on yours too. All you do is grab an SD card, put a picture on the SD card, and put it into the SD card slot, because this is actually a GPS one. But basically all you need to do is, so you go to info, okay? And then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is go to settings. Now, see how it says startup screen? You just hit customized, and then boom, you can put your own custom lock screen or put your own custom startup screen. So it could be your car, it could be literally whatever you want it to be. And I thought that was pretty sick. All right, so that's really all for this video. That's really all there is for cool. It's cold out here, I'm not gonna count.
Let me hit the restart button.
All right, so yeah, that's really gonna do it for this video, guys. I wanted to keep it kind of short. It's freezing out here in New Jersey, like I said, or Pennsylvania, honestly. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, those are some cool features that you can find on your Subaru BRZ. And yeah, if there's any more that I missed, go ahead, feel free to comment down below what you guys have found with the BRZ that maybe I don't know about. But those are some of the coolest ones that I thought were, you know, the most, they're just cool, all right? I thought they were cool. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down below, comment down below what we should do next for the winter car or winter in general. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.